Okay, I'd like to start by thanking Arbitrum for having me. My name is Michael Dankinich from Cookbook.dev. We are a Solidity developer tooling and resources aggregator and company. So how many of the audience members here are developers? Just a raise of hands. Wow, that is an astounding amount of developers. I'm glad to be here with you guys. I've got something that may be really able to make your life a lot easier. So what you're seeing here on the screen is our Arbitrum developer resources page. If you go to cookbook.dev/change/Arbitrum, as a builder, you can find all of the resources that you need to configure your wallet and start building on Arbitrum quickly and seamlessly. So you can find outlinks to any Arbitrum official pages, any bridges, bounties, grants. You can go do things like one-click add a testnet to your MetaMask wallet. To go and switch my network here, I can jump into one of the Arbitrum faucets, and with that, I am ready to start building on Arbitrum. If I'd like to learn a little bit more about Arbitrum, I could jump into this handy Chef GPT tab right over here, ask questions in plain text, or, we have a couple of preloaded questions, like how do I deploy on Arbitrum? And as this guy's talking, I'll show you guys, the more interesting things is Cookbook's smart contract library and templates. So under the protocols tab, we have some examples of protocols that are deployed on Arbitrum. But if you jump into our search, that's where things get interesting. So we've hand curated over 1,000 smart contracts that are battle tested on chain for you guys to search for and use. You can search in plain text or use a handy filter to find a token contract, an NFT, a DAO, whatever it is you may need to fit your goals. If you don't have a contract here in the search that you want to use, you can also go into import and drop the contract address from any verified contract in a block explorer and import it into Cookbook. What happens when you import it? Well, when we select one of our contracts, we have a page like this. We're able to do no-code deploys to Arbitrum's testnet. So I'll just do a kind of janky test here, but you'll get the idea. Then make sure my wallet is connected, of course. We'll pick a chain. We'll see T Arbitrum for the testnet here. Switch over to that network, and just like that, we will be able to no-code deploy. We can also one-click open all of our contracts on Cookbook and Remix, or we can access a Foundry or Hardhat boilerplate for all 1,000 plus contracts that we have on Cookbook. So if you're building with Foundry or Hardhat, run a few commands in your terminal, and you can save a lot of time when you're forking protocols or doing research or just getting your hands dirty on chain. If you're into web IDEs, Cookbook is one of the featured plugins in the Remix IDE. If you go ahead and add this to your sidebar, you can also search for any of our smart contracts that we offer on cookbook.dev in the Remix IDE right here. So, for example, I can just select simple token, accept these permissions here, and just like that, I am ready to compile and go ahead and deploy that token just like that. So as a part of this plugin, we do have our AI Solidity Copilot here that you can ask questions to and learn about the contracts that you're deploying. And really, I haven't found a better way to just really start quickly building on any network. So currently, Cookbook does support about 30 blockchains, Arbitrum being one of them. And we're, excited to continue building. Our first, non kind of Solidity product that we've recently released, which is, this is an example with Manta Pacific. We are embedding our AI copilots in technical documentations as little pop-ups. You can ask, in this case, unfortunately not yet Arbitrum, hopefully soon, questions directly to this chatbot here. So, would love to reach out to any Arbitrum builders or have you guys reach out to me and connect, see what you're building, see how we can help. We are a team of 5 based out of San Francisco and, are very, very excited to continue building for the Arbitrum ecosystem. As more L2s launch on Orbit, we'd love to support those as well to really make it easier for anybody to come learn about your network and start building. So thanks once again to Arbitrum and all of you for having me. And please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Follow Cookbook on Twitter at cookbook_dev, or jump into our Discord, and we'd be more than happy to get you sorted with the smart contract and help you begin your builder journey on Arbitrum. Thanks so much.